Hi everyone, today we're going to make some chili gobi or gobi manchurian. Get some water and add a little bit of turmeric and wash the cauliflower in turmeric water. We're going to boil some water. I used kettle to boil my water and pour it into a pan and add this cauliflower into the water, and we're going to cook this for 2 minutes. So we're going to close the lid for 2 minutes and put a timer on. After that, mix it and drain it out of the water and keep it aside. Now get a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of plain flour. We're going to add half a cup of cornstarch or corn flour. Now we're going to add 1 spoon of chili. This is just for the cake, just for the spice. If you don't want it, you don't have to add it. And we're going to add 2 to 3 cubes of ginger and garlic paste. So I already heated up the cubes in the microwave. Add 1 spoon of salt, and we're going to add water, so 2 cups of water, and mix this really well, not into a really thick consistency but a little bit of watery, which I'll show you in a minute. So mix this really well. There should be no lumps or anything, so it should be this consistency. Now we're going to add the cooked cauliflower to this batter, making sure all the cauliflower is coated really nicely because we're going to fry this in a minute. Heat a pan, add some oil to fry, and when the oils boil, we're going to add the cauliflower into this batter like this. We're just going to scoop the cauliflower in, put it into the oil. So because the cauliflower is already cooked, we just need the batter to be really crispy. So looking for like a brown color, like a golden brown color like this. So strain this from the oil and keep it aside. Now we need 1 onion, 2 pepper, 1 clove of garlic and 3 chili chopped up nicely, and heat up a pan and add some oil. Add the chilies, add the garlic. So if you don't need this much chili, I'm just making mine a really spicy. So if you don't want that much spice, you can reduce the chili that you put in. But you should put this much garlic in because it just gives a really nice taste. So we're looking for a light brown. Then we're going to add the onions in and making sure that should be a little bit of brown. But we don't want this overly cooked because we want the crunchiness to it. So we're gonna add half a spoon of salt. So this is going to quicken the process, so you don't have to keep heating it up or stirring it up. We're going to add the peppers. This is going to give you a really nice color. Now we're going to add 2 spoons of soya sauce. So you can use any soya you want. I have used a dark one here, but you can use a light one or anything you got at home. Now we're going to add half a spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of Kashmiri chili. That means it would be more in color and less spicy. Half a spoon of garam masala, half a spoon of coriander. We're going to mix this really well so you can see the color already and it's looking really nice. Add the fried cauliflower to this and making sure you mix this really well as well, so you will get everything coated into this masala we just did. Now we're going to add 2 spoons of chili sauce. If you don't have chili sauce, you can just use ketchup. Now we're going to close the lid for 5 minutes in really low heat. And after that's done, remove the lid and mix it really well. That's it, we're done guys. I hope you try this at home and subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch my other videos and give it a go. I'm going to add a little bit of spring onion just to give it a little bit of color, and it just looks really nice, and I hope you really try this.